Subscribe to Be My Pillion and tap on the bell icon so it rings whenever a new video gets uploaded on the channel. And do not forget to check out what else I do in my channel. Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Verma and today we are gonna be talking about my new 50k budget PC build. Now you know why I am not able to put up new videos every day, because my PC was dead, and I believe now you can expect regular videos from my side. Well, moving on, first of all let's talk about the components I used for the build. I used the AMD Ryzen 5 1500X processor, the ASUS B350M K Prime motherboard, and the Zotac GTX 1050 Ti OC edition, and I used the Circle 820cc cabinet with Corsair VS450 power supply unit and 1TB WD Blue, and the RAM is of G-Skill Ripjaws 1x8GB 2400 MHz. Now overall it cost me around 47k including the GST. Now let's talk about why I used all these components, as I could have used the Ryzen 3 series or the G4560 also for the budget build, which could have easily saved around 6 to 10k for me. Well, the only reason was to take a powerful processor at a budget and a budget GPU, because my first preference is video editing and rendering, for which having a powerful processor is the most important thing. I was planning for a new build for like more than 2 months now, and things got really messed up as I thought of getting the i5, that is the Intel i5 7500, but then Ryzen 5 and 7 was announced, and then recently Ryzen 3 series was announced, but then at the end I settled with Ryzen 5 1500X. Talking about the motherboard, I got the ASUS B350M K Prime, as spending a lot over a MOBO in a budget PC doesn't make sense. And I got the Zotac GTX 1050 Ti OC edition, which is, I believe, still the best in this category, as it beats Radeon RX 460 by a huge margin, and getting a Radeon 470 or GTX 1060 3GB will increase the budget by 6 to 8k, and the difference in performance is very marginal. And this PC can tackle most of the games at a higher FPS also. I will make an in-depth video regarding the FPS and things of how it performs with most of the new gaming titles later. Now talking about the cabinet and PSU, the power supply unit. You really cannot compromise on these two things. You should always try to get the best PSU and a good looking cabinet. Come on, you are making a gaming rig. You can spend some money on it, right? And the good thing about the Circle 820cc cabinet is that you get a transparent side panel with 2 LED fans, and the plastic is of premium quality. I also got the G-Skill Ripjaws DDR4 2400 MHz 1x8GB RAM, as this one performs the best with the AMD system, and it also comes with a 10 years warranty. And for the hard disk, I chose the legendary 1TB WD Blue. Do I really need to say anything about this thing? No, I guess. It is the best thing out there, right? So that's what the build is all about. I wanted to make a short video regarding my build. Dude, I'm no tech guy, but then yes, whoever build their own PC, like not literally but search for the best components regarding their build, I believe they'll learn a lot about it. So this was just a walkthrough regarding the new 50k budget build, like 47k to be exact. Even with the remaining 3k you can buy a good gaming keyboard and mouse, right? So that's it from my side. Well, this is not my genre, so do let me know if you like the video, and don't forget to check out what I exactly do in my channel, and hit the subscribe button if you like my work. Do comment, do let me know in the comment section below about the build. If you find it helpful, then do like it, and do join the notification squad by checking the bell icon. So that's it from my side. This is Mukesh Verma signing off. Bye bye and take care, my Pillions.